In this video, I'm going to talk about how to import a module from a Python shell. On the left side of my screen, you see the Python shell I will be using to do this activity. On the right side, the name of the module that I'll be using, greetings.py, is the one that I will import. You can see it's located in the C drive, Python 3.4, MyScripts directory. If I were to just simply attempt to import that name of that module, it may fail if it is unable to locate that directory in either the Python path environment variable or on the sysmodule path variable. It could also use the current working directory in order to be able to import that module. By importing the OS module, we can see the OS environ variable contains a list of key and value pairs. For the key will be the name of the environment variable, such as Python path. The value will be the value that that variable has been assigned. And so in this case, we can see that my mod directory is included as part of the Python path. Since my module is not located in that directory, it was not imported. By looking at the sysmodule and the path variable it contains, you can see the list of directories that Python will search, including the empty string to represent the current directory, as well as other directories, including those specified on the Python path. Because this is a list object, if you want to be able to import your module, you can append this list with the path to the directory where your module is contained. Be sure to use 2 backslashes for each one that you actually want, as the backslash is a escape character. In order to have 1 backslash, you need 2. And so then we have my scripts directory underneath that. And so we'll append that sys.path. You can see now that path will be the last one. It will go to search. And that by using import greetings, it would successfully now import that module. So there's a second approach, which actually sort of duplicates the first one. If you've already set the system environment variable Python path, it will be included in your sys.path, and you'll be able to import your module from that directory. Otherwise, by using the OS module, chdir function, you can change directories. And if you change directories to, say, the directory where your module is contained, this can also be a valid approach to importing your module. Now beware, if you've already imported your module once and then you import it again, the changes that you might have made in your module between the 2 imports will not be reflected. In Python 2, there was a reload function to reload your module. This also exists in Python 3, but within the import lib module. So, for example, if I change my sayings to eliminate allo, of course, right away, that's not reflected in the shell because it still has an older import of those sayings. And even attempting to import that module again doesn't update the shell with the new sayings. However, using the import lib module, you can call the reload function with the name of your module, assuming that it's either in your current working directory or a part of a directory included in the sys.path. Now the contents of the module in the shell have been updated. And you can see that that allo saying is no longer included. So if you are revising your module while working on it, be sure to use that import lib reload function in Python 3. In Python 2, use the older reload function. That's just a built-in function.